Creativity is intelligence having fun. What if I tell you that there's this thing called a fair filled with creativity and inventions made by different people? What I'm referring to is called Maker Fair. Maker Fair is like a DIY festival and project showcase where makers of all ages express and show their creative and innovative minds through inventing, creating, or making projects. Our school had the Maker Fair event, but since we are in distance learning, we have to make a product at home. I'm Perjan Vetus and I'll be explaining what I've made. What I've created is a DIY picture frame. My picture frame was made with only one material and, of course, a fastening tool. It was the cardboard material that made my project easy to make. I started by gathering spare cardboard, cutter, ruler, and all-purpose glue around our home. I then searched the internet for common measurements of picture frames since I forgot to include it on my blueprint. What measurement I chose for my DIY picture frame is 8 by 10 inches. So I measured and cut out an 8 by 10 inch rectangle of cardboard and put it aside. It was the first layer of my project, which acts as the backboard. Next, I cut out two 0.7 by 10 inch pieces and a 0.7 by 8 inch piece of cardboard with 45-degree angle trim on all ends and put it aside. It was the second layer which acts as the walls and floor of the art or picture. Next, I cut out to 1.5 by 8 inch and 1.5 by 10 inch pieces with 45-degree angle trim on all ends as well and put it aside. It was the third layer which acts as the frame. After cutting all the pieces, I fastened all the pieces with all-purpose glue. I started fastening the first and second layer of pieces, dried them up, and proceeded to fasten the third layer to it. At that point, it's already a picture frame that you can insert a picture through the top. What it lacks is a stand on the back. So, I cut out a 2.5 by 5.5 piece of cardboard, bend the top part, and attach that part on the back of my picture frame, specifically at the middle. At that point, my DIY picture frame is finished. I also tested it by inserting a paper through the top, and it worked. So, that was all of my step-by-step procedure on making my project. In conclusion, making my project was flawless. I didn't encounter any problems or difficulties in making my DIY picture frame. It took me some time to cut the cardboard pieces with my cutter as neatly as possible. I also used a chopstick when fastening the pieces for precise application of glue. I was enjoying a bit while making the project and I was admiring it when I was finished. That's all I have to say. Thank you for listening and have a good day.